I've never paddled this far before. Like, we're gonna be on the lake for 2 hours.
That's crazy. Holy fuck. This is hard. Wait, put it down. How far is this?
200 meters.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
No,
We'll go slow.
but we'll do it. Ready for takeoff?
How long could they hold their breath?
Perfect.
How come it looks like a square?
It does look like a square.
Get away.
I didn't even notice.
Eating on the ground.
So then why should you do it?
Close to the ground.
It's not like something we practice and eventually, sorry, I kind of forgot about this. Cute!
Cute. Hey, that was so easy.
Yeah, just pop right up.
Nice.
Solid. Those are the pegs we need? I guess the other ones are for the top. Fire!
You know what? I'm gonna make myself eat 6 crows.
I'm proud of you. You can do hard things.
We had a big full day.
You deserve this.
We need to fuel up.
Can we fit all the crows?
Yeah. They've got it.
Terribly option.
We were gonna put onion with this, but I'm too lazy to use it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Today has felt so long and so short at the same time.
It really has. It feels like, yeah, this day feels like it's been forever, but also it's like, wow, we're already going to bed.
Yeah.
It's like nothing really happened, I guess.
It's just like the same stuff.
Yeah. Pick it out.
Boiling water? What do you mean? Pick it out. Give me your spoon or something. You trying to set me up? They're gonna get into this. Quick, Jenna, quick. Oh, there's one on the side now.
Oh. Where?
Over there.
I can't see it.
Oh, you put it back in. It's on the side right there. Ew. Did you just flick it into my cup?
No, I
saw
stuck it over there.
I saw it fly up there. What? Jenna.
No, I put it in the...
You know, I'm just gonna pass on this, I think.
What?
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
No, it's not.
What? Why?
It's you're cremating its body in the water.
Gosh, it's hard with a spork. Oh, I got it.
There you go.
Thank you.
we're switching sites because this one sucks.
Tragic, but we found a really good one. I'm hungry. Good job.
Eat, swim, lounge. Oh, lounge then. Okay, yeah.
I guess whoever makes jackfruit, whole jackfruit. Oh, you brought socks.
Yeah.
Smart girl.
I know I'm not done yet, but I feel like I could have something else.
Yeah,
after this.
same. I was thinking about it. I was like, what can I snack on?
Yeah. We are funny.
Thank you.
Oh,
I fold it over.
oh, what the heck? That's rare.
It is. I'm gonna make a wish.
Don't the arms of that tree look like they're flipping us off?
Oh yeah.
Where'd that gas go?
There you go.
Next leg. You. There you go.
Yay!
So fun! Yay! Okay, that fun was short-lived.
Yeah. And back to the chocolate block. Oh, that's nice. That's not bad at all.
Yeah, no, that's pretty nice.
Refreshing.
Oh, it's cold actually.
Yeah. Over there, like
What
at the
happened?
bottom.
Yeah.
But the sun feels so nice.
Yeah. It's so deceiving.
So many emotions.
Zebra?
Crawfish. Or that too. Oh, is that gonna float away?
I'll get it.
Oh, thanks.
Ow, okay, yeah, the rocks hurt up here.
Oh no. People are gonna
Killing
put
it.
on my form. Maybe I should put my finger closer. Engagement. Throw them on?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Have you done this technique before?
No, but I watch all the YouTube guys do it.
They know what they're talking.
They always seem to get a fire going, so why can't we?
Exactly. That's a good one.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Watch out.
Does it need more sticks yet?
No. Okay. Stuff's happening.
All the time.
Okay, I think I'm gonna get my hot dog going in this.
Okay.
Am I gonna be able to get this off?
Ooh! Nice blow, Jenna.
It's looking sad.
A little,
How do we save it?
maybe last.
Put your hot dog in before we lose it.
The moon. La lune.
Wait, come back. Where are you going? My dog. I feel like it's because these trees were still a little bit wet, because look at that. Look at the water coming out of that one.
Oh yeah.
Well done.
Yum. Dig in, girl.
And check out this bun. Panini.
You got the magic touch. Didn't do anything. If anything, I blew it out.
Oh no.
Absolutely stunning. Say when.
When?
It's okay.
It's in my ear.
Come to mama. Hello. We meet again. Oh.
Dino, cookies and cream. Maybe I do need a little more heat.
Ooh. Okay, relax.
Climactic too. I might just eat it out of the pot. Save a dish. Maple walnut crunch. I don't get people who say Reese's. Do you say Reese's or do you say Reese's?
I like to say Reese's Pieces, but I say Reese's.
Yeah.
But I think Reese's Pieces is just fun to say. Reese's Pieces.
Does it smell burnt to you?
Okay, I think.
Nice. True.
It looks like mac and cheese, like how sticky it is.
Oh yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't have added that peanut butter because now that's gonna fill me up quicker.
Uh-huh. Isn't that what you wanted?
Well, I want to be able to eat the whole thing.
I do this. Did you eat that muffin?
Yeah.
You could do this.
When you put it all into the corner, it doesn't look like that.
I used to be able to eat like 4 packs of oatmeal when I was younger. I used to be able to eat so much food.
It's because you're a growing girl.
Trust me, I was growing a lot.
You need a plateau recently. I'm full. I have like 2 bites.
Are we going to go for a paddle?
We could. I also kind of want to save our energy for tomorrow. But then it's like, what are we going to do here?
Swim. Cats in the cradle.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we could watercolor. I brought watercolor.
Ooh. Or make bracelets.
Yeah.
Car options. Wow. Is this what it's like having downtime? This is so nice.
Let's not get too excited. I feel like when we get too excited, things happen. We made it to Parkside Bay. I'm here with Alexa. Hi. Absolutely gorgeous weather. The paddle in wasn't too bad. Took us about 4 hours, but also we were dilly-dallying, enjoying the sights, enjoying the scenery.
Yeah, we were.
Hell yeah. We managed to snag a good site after spending the first night on a subpar site. After all the packing and unloading and reloading, I'm thinking,
we're finally settled in. Now we have some time to hang.
Nice site, great views, great fireplace.
It's nice.
Lice.
Nice.
Some ice. I was like, why is that nice? I don't think the people are gonna want lice. There's only about 4 good sites here.
the other sites are pretty swampy and buggy, and overall just not very nice. But I really don't think you can go wrong on some gorgeous weather days like this. Not much else to it. They should make a machine that can do this.
I'm sure there are.
Nice. Does that look rehydrated?
I don't know.
I can't really tell. It's rough out here in the wild. Exhibit A. Exhibit B.
It's rough out here.
Be careful. Injuries do happen.
Big and small.
These ones are so big.
These ones are huge.
Track 2. Track 2 is for the real deal. The real deal should be able to put on a band-aid, right?
Heck, I feel like both reservoirs are bigger. Yeah, right? Make it make sense.
It's mid-morning and we're heading out back to our car. Concludes our Parkside Bay trek. A seagull.
No. That's not seagull.
Really? Absolutely gorgeous weather. Couldn't have asked for a better time. Got a good sight, got some swimming in. It was absolutely lovely. Just as hot as it was on the way in. A little windier, but it'll be a tailwind, so it shouldn't be too bad. That portage was crazy. There were like 10 canoes. Traffic filled undivided highway of canoes. It was crazy, it was havoc, it was chaos.
I'm happy we're on our way out.
Yeah, I'm happy we're on our way out. Like, there were not enough good sights for all those people, so good luck to them.
And it's gonna rain the next 2
Yeah, looking like rain the next 2 nights, like Alexis said, so good luck to them. They're gonna tough it out, you know? Figure it out. Don't come on a weekend.
Beautiful.